guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. If you're new, consider hitting like and subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be unboxing a new box as promised. Not new to the channel, just new in general for the month. This box is open simply because, now you know what it is. It's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is open and I'm sorry for that. The reason it is open is because I tried to record these videos earlier. This one, the Ipsy, and my BoxyCharm, and yeah, it is a long story, so we're not going to get into it. So we're just going to open up this box, and I'm not going to show you I'm trying not to show you what's in it. I'm sure you've seen a million of these videos already, so it's not like mine's first. And it always comes nicely packaged, only right now mine's a bit of a mess. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. In order to get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you have to be an Ipsy Glam Bag subscriber. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and believe me, you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size products, and believe me, it is always worth it. Between Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and BoxyCharm, I'm not really sure which one I like better. I like them both a whole lot, so it's real hard for me to say, oh, well, I like this one better than the other one, because I don't know. Now, this too, just like the Ipsy, if you watch my Ipsy Glam Bag video, this is the dive in. This one also says, the theme is also dive in. And in here, it will tell you what all the products were and what they retailed for. So without further ado, let's get into this box. This is the first thing I saw when I was trying to do my video before, and I fell in love. It is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. It is gorgeous. Isn't she beautiful? She's beautiful. This one does not say whether it is cruelty-free or vegan-friendly, so I honestly don't know. But the colors are bronze. The name of this palette is the Bronze Sands Edition. See right there? And it is absolutely phenomenal. It is gorgeous. And most of our products have, most of your makeup palettes that you get usually have, a clear film on them to protect them. This one has a picture, like the front, which is really cool. These colors are gorgeous. There's Barbados, the Maldives, Aruba, and Bora Bora, which are all very well-known destination spots. There's Prep, Set, Sculpt, and Flush. Let's see how these come out on the hand. This is Prep. Apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light perfecting pearls. Let's see what that looks like. There it is. That one right there is called Barbados. Now, I use a new makeup, which I haven't done the Get Ready With Me in a while, so you won't really know. But I started using Lumi Glotion. Lumi Glotion is by L'Oreal. I put it up underneath my makeup, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It just illuminates everything. That is Barbados right there. Next one is this one next to it, the Maldives, which is Set. You can set your makeup with Maldives. That's the Maldives one. That is pretty to set makeup with. I like that. We're going to move on to Bora Bora and Aruba. Let's fly over to Bora Bora. Bora Bora says Flush. It's just for a healthy glow. You kind of put it on your cheeks. That's pretty. Then we're going to go over to Aruba over here. It says Sculpt. Apply Aruba under your cheekbones to add dimension and shape. This is where you kind of do your contouring with. That's really pretty. So it's like an all-in-one face palette, really. This one retails for, let me see here, $45. For those of you that did not watch my Ipsy video, I did get a brand new desk in my makeup room. It's a brand new glass top makeup desk, so everything's is getting upgraded in here, and I had to do it with the old to make room for the new, so that's another reason why my videos are coming out kind of late. I'm sorry. The next one is the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. Couldn't talk there, sorry. This one, I do not know if it says, shake it up, mist it under your skin before makeup, or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. Well, I do wear makeup to work. And, I keep a pretty ethereal glow going all day long because, as a lot of you know, I am a nurse and I sweat all day long. So, yeah, I kind of just shine naturally. I'm not saying that that's in a good way, because by no means is that in a good way. No, not at all. So we're gonna try this out. We're just gonna shake it on my hand and see what it's like. Okay, you can tell it's definitely got some oil in it because it's very it's like separating in there and stuff. Smells good. It does give kind of like a sheen. I like that. Put it on my face. It's a glow mist. I'm not gonna glow in the dark or anything, but it smells really good. Feels real good. Doesn't feel real oily, which I like. Got it on my shirt. That's great, because my shirt doesn't have enough crap on it. That one retails for $15, and I know you can get Pixie by Petra at Target, for those of you that have a Target. The next thing I see in here, which I already own one, but I love it. I still actually have it, and it's right here. It's my mascara from last year, I think. It is the It Superhero. I got that first one from BoxyCharm. I got this one from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is an elastic stretch volumizing mascara. And I like this one. This one's good. I don't know. It's by It Cosmetics. I know that. And the color is super black. There's the color right there. Super black. Now, and you know what's crazy is I just bought like a ton of mascara right before I went on my vacation. I bought, I've been using Too Faced? Yeah, Too Faced Better Than Sex. The waterproof. Thank you, Kathleen Laverso, for that recommendation. The waterproof mascara just changed my life. This has a very nice wand, and this, I can personally attest that this is a very lengthening mascara. It lengthens your eyelashes beautifully. So this one retails for, I don't know, $24. It's an It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black, and it retails again for $24. So I'm glad to have another one because I really do like it. I did see this earlier when I was trying to do my video, and I don't know what it is or how it works, but we're going to find out together. Thought it was rather interesting, but I don't know what it is. Go-Go Tint by Benefit Cosmetics. I did see this in the airport when I was flying out to Cancun a couple weeks back, because there was like this huge little, I don't know where this, like, it looked like a little van, like a little cart, but it was automated through your credit card, where you could use your credit card to swipe and get any makeups you wanted. And one of them was a Benefit card. Of course, I went running to that, and my husband said, "Stop! Pump the brakes there, babe." I was like, "Excuse me?" And he said, "No, you're not buying anything." Yeah, I threw a fit. It didn't work. He said, "You have enough makeup. You don't need any more." I said, "You never tell a woman that, especially one who works her butt off like me." But needless to say, I didn't win that fight, so it doesn't matter. So Go-Go Tint is a San Francisco-based Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, you apply 2 to 3 small strokes of Go-Go Tint to the apples of your cheeks using the applicator, and blend out quickly with your fingers before it sets, and dab a drop or more onto moisturized lips with your finger. Okay, we're just going to put this on my hand. I'm not putting anything on my face. Okay, to me that looks like nail polish. I mean, you'd be the judge. I think it looks like nail polish. Let me see what it kind of does. Oh, okay. Well, it's not dry on my hands, so I can kind of... Okay, I see what it's doing in my hand. It gives you kind of like a little pinky sheen. I guess like if you wanted to do a little blush, or a little bit on the apples of your cheeks, just to kind of give them some pop. That would be cute. It's called Go-Go Tint. And it is definitely in red. I don't wear red blush. I usually tend to wear more neutral shades. This shade is, I don't know. It just says Go-Go Tint Bright Cherry Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. So I don't know. I have no idea what shade it is. It doesn't say. It literally does not say. It says nothing under there. But it says 8H04. Sorry, I can't see it on my glasses on my contacts in. But that's the Go-Go Tint that I got. So I guess the shade is cherry. I don't know. Sorry. Moving on, the last but not least thing that we got in this palette was the Touch in Soul. I love Touch in Soul. I really do like these products. They're very good. This one retails for, and I'll tell you what it is in a moment, $38. A pretty filter waterful glow cream. They say it's kind of is in line with like K-beauty, which is Korean beauty products, which are supposed to be absolutely amazing. I don't own any, but I'm gonna look at this and see what it feels like. Okay, safety seal. I love it. Oh, that's thick. That is thick and tenacious. That looks good though. Let me put it on my hands and see how it feels. I'm just gonna use it on my hand. Oh, that feels lovely. It feels like you could tell it's very water based. Oh, that's gonna feel good on my face. Because believe me, my face needs all the help it can get. You can see the sunspots where the sun got me because I was so burnt. You can't see the tan lines right here anymore, thank God. But I had tan lines right here from where my sunglasses were. Thankfully, you can't see it. But I wear Ray-Bans, so I have like a really thin arms on my glasses. But it was embarrassing. Leaving the beach and going upstairs, like, when the sun goes down. And here I am with raccoon eyes from where I had the sun blasting in my face because I was too ignorant to reapply sunblock. Actually, no, I take that back. I was not too ignorant. I was too drunk. Yeah. It wasn't all inclusive resort. You can eat and drink all you want. Well, I drank all I could. Eating was, that was hit or miss for me. If I could eat, great. If I didn't, I didn't care. I was drinking. So moving on. These are the 5 products that I received. I got the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Bronze Sands for $45. The Benefit Cosmetics Go-Go Tint Cheek and Lip Stain for $30. I might use it, I may not. I don't know. We'll see. The next thing is the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. Like it. I do like it. I'll definitely use that. The IT Cosmetics Mascara. Absolutely use that because I love it. It's not a waterproof, but that's okay. I like it. I'll manage. And last but not least, that one retailed for $24, the mascara. The Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream for $38. I like that. I just barely put that little bit on my hands and it's already in my skin. I mean, it feels great. My hands don't feel dry, I don't feel greasy, I don't feel anything. So I'm really happy about that. So anyway, that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I will put a link down in the description down below. Now, for those of you that want to see other products or other unboxings on my channel, they're coming. And I will now tell you what all my products are. BoxyCharm, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I also got Boxy Luxe. I forgot to tell you, I got Boxy Luxe last month, so be prepared to see that one. And I have Play by Sephora, which is on its way. I don't know when it'll be here. Glossy Box, which should be here tomorrow or the next day. Don't quote me, I don't know. Ear Fleek, Mint Mongoose Black. There's another one I bought, and I cannot for the life of me remember what it is. How important could that be then if I can't remember? I don't know. It's too many of them. I've got too many of them now. I've got like 9 of them to unbox every month, and I keep forgetting what they are. I did not get to do my Boxy Luxe from last month because just way too much shit happened. Pardon my French, at the last minute. I had to get ready for my trip. It all came in the day before I flew out. And by then, I was too tired to do anything. All I could think of was I needed to do all this packing, and I needed to get ready to go, and I had to be at the airport 3 hours away. I have one closer, but I went to a nicer, bigger international airport, so I could get out of here and get to my destination quicker. And yeah, it was a hot mess. Y'all have no idea. It was a hot mess. But anyway, so yeah, I didn't get to film my Boxy Luxe, but I will in September. Fear not. It will be filmed. But for those of you that don't know, I got everything that everybody else got, and I got a little blue hair dryer, which is really cute. Perfect for my trip, too. It was teeny compact, but it was perfect. It was just what I needed for my trip. I know the hotels supply their own, but I like to have my own because I have a lot of hair, and if I burn the motor out, I'd rather it be on my dime than on theirs. Meaning I'd rather it be my responsibility, my stuff that burns out instead of me burning out somebody else's because of whatever reason, because I have too damn much hair. I don't know. Anyway, so look down in the comments down below. I will leave a description of what this video is about, and I will also put in there my affiliate link to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I do not get anything anything out of it. No money is made, no nothing. It's just my code to help you get Ipsy is all it is. That's it. So, anyway, moving on. I'm going to end this video because I'm going to move on to BoxyCharm next. So be sure you stay tuned for that video. And again, I believe I've said this in the last video. If not, I'm going to say it again. I'm waiting to get 500 subs because I'm giving away the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. However, that being said, should I not hit 800 videos before Anastasia Beverly Hills puts out a new video or a new eyeshadow palette, then I'll go with the one that's up from that. But as of right now, it stands. It's going to be the Riviera palette, which I haven't even bought for myself yet. I'm going to. I just haven't yet. But that is what I will be giving away. The Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever Anastasia Beverly Hills' newest palette will be. So be sure you stay tuned to that. And I want to see down in the comments if you want to be in it. If you want to be in it, say me. That means you want me to enter you. And when I do, I will do it through... there's a thing I can do, the generation that I can do, some sort of generator that I can do on YouTube that'll pick the name at random, so I don't have to pick it, which I'm not going to pick somebody at random. I'm not going to just pick whomever I want. It's got to be run through that generator as to who gets picked. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're watching the video but didn't really care for it, or you did care for it, or you're not subscribed and don't know what to do, just throw it a thumbs up or throw it a thumbs down. Doesn't matter. A view's a view. Okay? So, thanks. Y'all have a blessed day. Besos.